Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What would you call a male squirrel? Is it A, a hob, B, a bull, C, a ram, or D, a buck? The answer is D, a buck.
In the world of squirrels, a male is known as a buck, borrowing terminology from deer. These agile creatures are not just nut enthusiasts, they can leap 10 times their body length and even turn their ankles 180 degrees to climb down trees headfirst, showcasing their incredible adaptability and agility.
Question 2. Which of these trees has winged seeds? Is it A, oak tree, B, ash tree, C, apple tree, or D, fir tree? The answer is B, ash tree.
The ash tree is a master of aerial seed dispersal, boasting seeds known as samaras that resemble tiny helicopters. These winged wonders spin gracefully through the air, allowing the seeds to travel far from their parent tree. This ingenious design helps ensure the ash's survival and spread across diverse landscapes.
Question 3. What type of rock is formed when existing rocks are subjected to extreme heat and pressure? Is it A, igneous rocks, B, metamorphic rocks, C, fossils, or D, sedimentary rocks? The answer is B, metamorphic rocks.
Metamorphic rocks are like nature's makeover artists. They transform existing rocks into new forms under intense heat and pressure. This process can create stunning patterns and colors, as seen in marble and slate. Fun fact: the Taj Mahal is made from metamorphic marble, showcasing its beauty and durability through centuries.
Question 4. Which rodent has given its name to a mean-spirited or bad-tempered woman? Is it A, rat, B, beaver, C, shrew, or D, squirrel? The answer is C, shrew.
The term shrew for a bad-tempered woman originates from the small, insect-eating mammal known for its fierce nature despite its size. Shakespeare immortalized this association in The Taming of the Shrew, where he depicted a strong-willed woman, Catherine, whose fiery spirit mirrored the shrew's feisty reputation.
Question 5. What is the word for a group of elk? Is it A, a muster, B, a bevy, C, a watch, or D, a gang? The answer is D, a gang.
In the wild, a group of elk is known as a gang, which might sound like they're up to mischief. These majestic creatures often travel together for protection and social interaction. During mating season, these gangs can become quite the spectacle as males compete for attention with impressive antler displays.
Question 6. What machine is used to separate denser substances from less dense ones by spinning them around in a container? Is it A, a mixer, B, a juicer, C, a centrifuge, or D, a blender? The answer is C, a centrifuge.
The centrifuge, a marvel of physics, is not just for labs. It played a crucial role in the space race. Before humans ventured into space, scientists used centrifuges to simulate high-gravity conditions and test astronauts' endurance. This spinning wonder ensures that both science and history are propelled forward at dizzying speeds.
Question 7. What is metrology the study of? Is it A. Spiders and their kind? B. Measurement. C. Wounds and injuries caused by accidents or assaults and their surgical treatment and repair? Or D. The relationship of biological or other phenomena to their locations? The answer is B. Measurement.
Metrology, the science of measurement, is crucial for everything from ensuring your morning coffee's weight to calibrating satellites in space. It traces its roots back to ancient civilizations like Egypt and Mesopotamia, where standardized units were vital for trade and construction. Today, metrology underpins global commerce and scientific innovation.
Question 8. Which month has a diamond as a birthstone? Is it A. December, B. April, C. November, or D. September? The answer is B. April.
April's birthstone, the diamond, is renowned for its unmatched hardness and brilliance. Ancient Hindus believed diamonds were created by lightning bolts striking rocks. In addition to symbolizing eternal love, diamonds were once thought to bring courage and strength to their wearers, making them a timeless choice for engagement rings.
Thanks for orbiting our science and nature quiz. We hope your curiosity was piqued, not just a theory. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.